Hi students, what is the 13th problem we have? Solve 2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. We have to find the values of x and y. Let 1 by root x. Here we have 2 into 1 means 1 by root x is equal to p. 1 by root y is equal to q. This can be written as 1 by root x means p. 2p plus 3. 1 by root y means 3 into 1 by root y means 3q is equal to 2. That can be written as, that equation can be written as 4p minus 9q is equal to minus 1. We have two equations. This is one and this is two pair of linear equations. We have to find the values of p and q and then substitute p is equal to 1 by root x and q is equal to 1 by root y. Now see, plus 3q minus 9q. It is better to add because you have to multiply this with 3 because 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6p plus 3 3s are 9q is equal to 3 2s are 6, and you multiply this with 1 because we have 9q here. 1 into 4p minus 9q is equal to minus 1. This is equation 1 and equation 2. We have to solve for these two equations, plus 9q minus 9q. Just we have to add these two equations. You will get the value of p. Now, this is elimination method. Plus 9q minus 9q cancel. 4p plus 6p plus 4p, 10p is equal to 6 minus 1 means 5. You will get p is equal to 5 by 10. 5 ones are 5 twos are. You got p is equal to 1 by 2. Then you have to substitute the value of p is equal to 1 by 2 in one of these two equations. I will take this equation. 2p, what is the value of p? Is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute the value of p is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute p is equal to 1 by 2 in 2p plus 3q is equal to 2. See, 2 into, what is the value of p we have? 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3q is equal to 2. 1 plus 3q is equal to 2. We have to find the value of q. Q is equal to 2 minus 1. You will get 3q is equal to 1. You will get q is equal to 1 by 3. What is the value of, you see, what is the value of p you got? 1 by 2. What is the value of q you got? 1 by 3. From this you have to find the values of x and y. What is p here? 1 by root x. 1 by root x is equal to 1 by 2. Cross multiplication, root x is equal to 2 and you will get x is equal to squaring both sides. If you square it, you will get x, and here you got 4. Now what is the value of q you got here? 1 by root y. 1 by root y is equal to 1 by 3 and root y is equal to 3. Therefore, squaring both sides, you will get y is equal to 9. Now, what is the value of x you got here? X is equal to, you got 4. And what is the value of y you got here? Y is equal to 3 3s are 3 root y, 3 square, 9. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. Whether your answer is true or false, you have to check. See, substitute the values of x and y in this LHS, in this equation. You should get 2. I will take 2 by root x plus 3 by root y. Root y is equal to 2. Now, what you take LHS? 2 by, what is root x here? Root 4 plus 3 by, what is root y here? 9. Now 2 by, what is root 4? 2. Root 9? 3. 2 plus 3 by 3 is equal to 2 by 2, 1. 3 by 3, 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. You got RHS. What is RHS? If you take LHS, I have taken LHS and got RHS. That is true. Yes, our answer is true. X is equal to 4 and Y is equal to 9. Like that you have to do. What is 14th problem we have? Solve pair of linear equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. This has given, but I will do directly first and then I will tell alternate method by reducing them to pair of linear equations. How can you do directly? You see, first you take this one, x plus y by xy is equal to 2. This can be written as x by xy plus y by xy is equal to 2. Now x cancel, y cancel, you will get 1 by y plus 1 by x is equal to 2. This can be written as 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 2. This is equation 1. We have two equations. This is equation 1. Next, what is another equation? We have x minus y by xy is equal to 6. This can be written as x by xy minus y by xy. X cancel, y cancel. I forgot to write 6. 6 is equal to 6. Then this you got 1 by y minus 1 by x is equal to 6. I will write like this. Minus 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 6. This is equation number 2. We have two equations. What are they? 1 by x plus 1 by y. 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 2. Then minus 1 by x. What is this? Minus 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 6. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Directly I am doing, I am not reducing them to pair of linear equations. Directly I am doing the problem. In next alternate method I will tell you by reducing them to pair of linear equations. Now what I do? Plus 1 by x minus 1 by x. We have to add them. Add. Plus 1 by x, 1 by x. Minus 1 by x cancel. 1 by y plus 1 by y. 1 by y plus 1 by y is equal to, add these two, you will get 8. 1 by y plus 1 by y, you will 2 by y. See, 2 by y is equal to 8. Then y, it can be written as y is equal to 2 by 8. You cross multiply. Y into 8, 8y. Y into 8, 8y is equal to 2. Then you will get y is equal to 1 by 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 1 by 4 you have. And now you got the value of y. Now next you have to find the value of x. You substitute the value of y in one of these two equations. You will get the value of x. Now substitute the value y is equal to 1 by 4 in 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 2. See, 1 by x plus, what is the 1 by y? 1 by y is equal to 1 by 4. 1 by y means you will have 4 is equal to 2. You will get 1 by x is equal to 2 minus 4. You will get 1 by x is equal to minus 2 and you will have x is equal to minus, see, 1 by 2. The value of x will be minus 1 by 2. You got x is equal to minus 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 4. We have to check whether our answer is true or false. Verification. I will do verification here. Verification. See, I am taking this x plus y by xy is equal to 2. X plus y by xy is equal to 2. I have taken LHS. What is the value of x is equal to 1 by 2. What is the value of y? 1 by 4. X is minus 1 by 2 and y is 1 by 4. Substitute the values of x and y here. Now minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. What is it? Minus 1 by 4, because minus 1 by 2 is bigger than 1 by 4. By, you multiply this with this. Minus 1 by 8. You will have cancel. You will get 1 by 4 into 8 by 1. You will get 4 ones are 4 twos. You will get 2. This is RHS. I have taken LHS and got RHS. 2. We got answer. Therefore, x is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 4 are correct answers. Then I will tell you this alternate method by reducing them to pair of linear equations. Hi students, I want to tell you alternate method for this one. What is the alternate method? Same procedure, x plus y by xy is equal to x by xy plus y by xy is equal to x by xy and y by xy is equal to 6. 1 x cancel, 1 by y plus 1 by x is equal to, and x cancel, 1 by y and y cancel, 1 by x is equal to 6. Reducing to pair of linear equations. 1 by x is equal to a and 1 by y is equal to b. See, you take this one, 1 by x means 1 by y means b plus 1 by x means a is equal to 2. Then 1 by y means b minus 1 by x means a is equal to 6. Now, take these two pair of linear equations a and find the values of a and b. Afterwards, we can convert a is equal to 1 by x. You can find the value of x and y. Now, a plus b is equal to 2. This is equation 1. B minus a. It can be written as minus a plus b. Minus a plus b is equal to 6. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. See, I have already told you plus and minus is there. Just add them. Add. Plus a minus a cancel. B plus b, 2b is equal to 8. You will get b is equal to 4. We got the value of b. Then you can find the value of a. Substitute the value of b in one of these two equations. I am taking this equation. A plus b is equal to 2. What is the value of b? We got here 4. 4 is equal to 2. And a is equal to 2 minus 4. And you will get a is equal to minus 2. Now you got two values. A is equal to minus 2 and b is equal to 4. A is equal to minus 2 and b is equal to 4. See, a is equal to, already we have to find the values of x and y. What is a? A is equal to 1 by x. Substitute the value of a is equal to 1 by x here. Then you can implies x is equal to 1 by minus 2. It can be written as, we should not write minus in the denominator. Always write like this. And you got x is equal to minus 1 by 2. And what is the value of y? What we have taken? Instead of 1 by y, we have taken b. B is equal to 1 by y is equal to 4. We got y is equal to 1 by 4. We have to verify whether our answer is true or false. Verification. I will do verification here. Verification. Whether our answer is true or false. You substitute the value of x and y in one of these two equations. I will take this equation. And what is the value of x here? Minus LHS I have taken, minus 1 by 2. And what is y here? 1 by 4. By what is xy? What you multiply x with y? Xy is equal to minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 4. You multiply x with y. X is equal to minus 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 4. You will get minus 1 by 8. See, substitute the value here, minus 1 by 8. See, plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. You will get minus 1 by 4 by minus 1 by 8. And minus minus cancel. 1 by 4 by 1 by 8. You will get 2. This is the answer. Yes, our answer is true. X is equal to minus 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 4. Yes, this is RHS. When you have taken LHS and we got RHS, it is verified. Hi students, now 15th problem. Solve pair of linear equations by reducing them to another pair of linear equations. 2 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of y is equal to 17. 2 to the power of x plus 2 minus 3 to the power of y plus 1 is equal to 5. See, we have to reduce them to another pair of linear equations. Let 2 to the power of x is equal to p and then 3 to the power of y is equal to q. This linear equation can be written as 2 to the power of x means p plus 3 to the power of y means q is equal to 70. Next, this is equation 1 you have. Next, this equation can be written as 2 to the power of x plus 2 minus 3 to the power of y plus 1 is equal to 5 you have. You see, you know already a to the power of m plus n can be written as a to the power of m into a to the power of n. Like that, you have to write this like 2 to the power of x into 2 square minus 3 to the power of y into 3 to the power of 1 is equal to 5. See, this can be written as 2 to the power of x means we have p. Now this can be written as 2 square means 4. 4 into this is p. 4 into p minus this is 3 into q is equal to 5. Now this can be written as 4p minus 3q is equal to 5. This is equation 2. We have two equations. This is 1 and this is 2. We will take down these two equations. P plus q is equal to 17 and 4p minus 3q is equal to 5. We have two equations. Now what I have to do? This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. We have to make these two terms equal. Means we have to multiply this with 3. It is easy for you. Means what I have to do, you multiply this with 3 and this with 1. 3 into p, 3p plus 3 into q, 3q is equal to 3 17s of 51. Next you multiply this equation with 1. You will get 4p minus 3q is equal to 5. See, we have to solve for these equations and we have to find the values of p and q. Then substitute the value of p. Here you will get the value of x. Now plus 3q minus 3q. Just add them. Because we have to, if you add them, 3q plus 3q minus 3q cancel. 3p plus 4p, 7p is equal to 51. 51 plus 5, 56. P is equal to 56 by 7. 7 8s are 56. Therefore, P you got 8. Now you have to find the value of Q. Substitute the value of P is equal to 8 in one of these two equations. P is substitute. P is equal to 8 in P plus Q is equal to 70. Substitute the value of P is equal to 8 in P plus Q is equal to 70. What is the value of P you have? 8 plus Q is equal to 70. You will get Q is equal to 17 minus 8, that is 9. You have P is equal to 8 and Q is equal to 9. Now we have to substitute the value of P and Q. Here 2 to the power of x is equal to P. This can be written as implies P is equal to 2 to the power of x, then 2 to the power of x is equal to, this can be written as 2 cube. 8 means 2 into 2 into 2, 8. See, you will get powers are equal. Therefore, you will get, therefore x is equal to 3. You have x is equal to 3, you got. Next, we have to find the value of y. What is q here? What is q here? 3 to the power of y. 3 to the power of y is equal to 9. 3 to the power of y, 9 can be written as 3 square. Therefore, you will get y is equal to, here you will get y is equal to 2. Whether your answer true or false, substitute the values of x and y in one of these two equations. I will take this equation and you have to prove 2 to the power LHS is equal to RHS. Now, verification. I will do verification. Here I will do verification. I will take 2 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of y is equal to 17. What is LHS here? 2 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of y. I am taking LHS and I have to prove RHS is equal to 17. 2 to the power of x. 2 to the power of, what is it? The value of x? 3. Plus 3 to the power of, what is the value of y? 2. You see, 2 cube means 8, 3 square means 9. You will get 17, that is RHS. When you, I have taken LHS and proved RHS. Yes, our answer is true. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to